Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you some super exciting products. So this brand called My Healing Kit is run by a gorgeous mom. She is actually an old friend of mine and she kindly sent me some products to try. I ordered from her before and I was very happy with the products, but today I'm going to try some new products as well. So if you are someone like me and you feel like you never have enough energy, you have issues with your digestion, if you want to detox your body or feel less stressed and calmer, then keep watching. I'm going to show you some great products and I'm also going to talk about a few other products that they have. So let's get into this, and I'm going to show you the first product, which is a very exciting one. This is something I never tried, but I heard great things about it. This is the Yoni Steam. So this is a balancing herbal blend of 100% organic herbs designed to pamper, nurture and enhance your feminine awareness. This is a very old practice and its purpose is to support the wellness and cleansing of the uterus, feminine power and healing after childbirth. On the back you can also see the ingredients. It is all organic and vegan. If you want to try this, all the instructions are on the back of the package. You can also find it on the website. I am super excited to try this. I think the packaging is gorgeous, and what I like about this brand is that they use only natural products. Everything is organic, which is very important. I also wanted to mention their Instagram account, which I'm going to link in the description box. They share really great tips, recipes and just really useful information if you are into health and wellness. If you are looking for tips and tricks for reducing stress in your life, you want to make sure you have more energy, you're feeling more healthy and strong. So the next product I got is this herbal tea infusion, which can help you with the deep sleep, restoration and relaxation. So this is a smooth, soothing herbal infusion combined to support a relaxed and restful night's sleep. This carefully handpicked collection of herbs have a history of calming your senses, which will help you to unwind and ease you into a blissful evening rest. And again, you can find the ingredients on the back of the package. So this one has chamomile, passion flower, lemon balm, lavender and rose, which sounds pretty amazing. And again, it's organic and vegan. I am going to try this tea tonight. I don't actually have any problems with sleeping. I love to sleep, I sleep a lot, but something I wanted to work on is to actually create an evening nighttime routine for myself. So I feel like this is going to be really helpful. So let's open this up. I just want to look inside and actually smell it. Oh, I love it. It just smells so fresh. I can smell the rose inside, which smells really good. So I'm using a pot to make my tea and I'm going to simmer it on a low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes and then strain it. The next product is a sea moss gel, which I tried before. I tried it in my smoothie, and the reason why I like to buy my sea moss gel from this brand is that I know for a fact that they don't use any preservatives. As you can see on the package, you have to keep it refrigerated and use it within 2 weeks. So I never actually tried sea moss gel just off the spoon and I really want to try it, but my favorite way of using this is actually in my smoothie. Cannot actually compare it to anything. It doesn't have a strong taste, doesn't have much of a taste actually. Another cool thing about this sea moss gel is that you can also use it as a face mask. You can apply it directly to skin for 10 to 20 minutes and gently remove with warm water. You can also preserve your sea moss in an ice cube tray for up to 2 months and then use the ice cubes in smoothies or hydrate with water. So there are loads of different ways in which you can use sea moss gel. You can also add it to your tea, your smoothie, your porridge, or just eat it off the spoon. If you haven't heard of this product before, please check out their website or read about it, because consuming sea moss gel has loads and loads of benefits. Some of the things this is good for is digestive and gut health, increases energy, immune support, nourishes skin, hair and nails. It's also good for the health of your bones and your joints, and it can also help with fertility. On the website you can see that they have different types of sea moss gel. They have purple sea moss, gold sea moss, elderberry sea moss, and I actually got the purple one in this package, but unfortunately I broke the jar, so I couldn't show you this one. If you want to purchase some products, you can also find some really cool bundles on the website. And the one I would recommend for women is the Women's Health package, which includes the sea moss gel, yoni steam, and the love potion. And the other product I wanted to show you is for brain health and cognitive performance. It can help you to focus better and have a clearer mind. This is also a great coffee replacement if you want to stop drinking coffee. And this blend can provide natural energy, and they're really simple to use as well. You just have to add 1 tablespoon to your morning or evening tea, coffee, hot chocolate, smoothie. So this is the end of this video, and I hope that you guys found this useful and you found some products that you would like to try. I can only recommend this brand and all these products. I feel like in your late 20s and especially in your 30s, we start to prioritize our physical and mental health, and all of these products are really great and can be really helpful if you are struggling with any of the issues that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Don't forget to check out My Healing Kit's website and take a look at their products and get some more information from there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.